Now we'll continue the next part of useful and harmful microbes. Now let us learn about the harmful microorganism. Some microorganism makes undesirable changes, hence they are called harmful microorganism. Let us learn few of them. You might have seen the leather article, wooden article, clothes, gunny bag get spoiled during rainy season. Why such thing happen? It is because the spores of fungi are present in the atmosphere, and due to moisture in the rainy season, these spores germinate on these articles like cotton, gunny sack, leather or wood. The fungal hyphae penetrate this material. They obtained nutrient from this material and reproduce. This causes the above material to wear and it gets spoiled. We cannot use them further. The fungus also grows on the food atom like pickles, jam, sauce. They uses nutrient from this food atom and releases a toxic substance called mycotoxin in it and make it poisonous, and such food atoms we are unable to eat. The next bacteria called Clostridium, which causes food poisoning, we are going to learn. You might have heard a word food poisoning. Sometime during community feast, due to anaerobic condition, the Clostridium bacteria grows in the food and they release toxin in the food which causes food poisoning. 100 different types of Clostridium species are present, out of which the Clostridium botulism is responsible for food poisoning. Now there are other different organisms like bacteria, viruses, protozoans and fungus which are responsible for different types of diseases in human. Let us learn how they are harmful to us. We are going to learn a chart which shows the spread and prevention of disease. So let us learn few diseases one by one. First, AIDS. AIDS is caused due to virus. The name of this virus is HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Now, how the AIDS spread, we are going to learn in the mode of infection. If the infected person donates the blood, then the disease can be transmitted. Through the sexual contact of infected person also, the disease get transmitted. The mother suffering from AIDS can also transmit this disease to a child. Then, what are the preventive measures for the AIDS? Safe sexual contact, use of disposable needle and syringe is the mode of prevention. The second disease is hepatitis. Hepatitis is caused due to virus. Now, how this hepatitis infect the person? If the contaminated water and food is eaten by the person having this virus, then he may get the disease hepatitis. So, what is the preventive measure? Always drink clean water, filter water, boil water, and properly store food. Then, third disease is influenza. It is also caused due to virus. This disease spread if a person come in contact with the infected person. To avoid this disease, one should follow the personal hygienic habit as well as one should avoid the contact with the infected person. Then the next disease is measles and chickenpox. It is caused due to virus. The mode of infection of disease is contact with the infected person. To avoid this disease, one should get vaccinated and always eat safe food and drink boiled water. Then the next disease is bird flu or swine flu. It is caused due to virus. H1N1. The mode of infection of this disease is contact with the infected bird or animal. To avoid this disease, one should follow the personal hygienic habit and should eat the properly cooked meat. Then the next disease is dengue. It is also caused due to virus and the mode of infection is through mosquito bite. To avoid this disease, always uh, to avoid this disease, cleanliness of the surrounding and preventing stagnant water around the home is needed. Then the next disease is pneumonia. It is a bacterial disease and it spread through the droplets from the air of by the infected person. So vaccination and avoiding contact with the infected person is its preventive measure. Then the next disease is leprosy. It is a bacterial disease, and a person get contracted with this disease if he is in contact with the infected person for a long time. So avoid the contact with the infected person and his things. Next disease is cholera. It is caused because of the bacteria. So avoid contact with the um, this disease is contracted due to contaminated food and water, so you have to always drink clean food and water. The next is malaria. It is caused because of the protozoa, so it is caused because of the mosquito bites or unclean surrounding. So always you have to follow the cleanliness in the surrounding and prevent the stagnation of water to control the growth of mosquitoes. And the last disease is dandruff, ringworm, or scabies. It is caused due to fungus. The mode of infection is contact with the infected person and by using their belongings like clothes. So, here to avoid this disease, there should be personal hygiene, then avoid the contact with the infected person. Solve the exercise given on page number 95. Thank you.